Hey DIY Clubbers, we're starting 2023 off with a crafty cooking video, so stay tuned. So I've really been trying to be intentional about eating breakfast and eating a breakfast that will help fuel my body. So I wanted to start by making these egg and sausage breakfast muffins. I started off by cracking my eggs, adding in my seasonings, and scrambling them. Then I'm going to cut up my ingredients that I'm going to add to my egg mixture. So that's my mushrooms. I'm going to also add in some bell peppers. I had them chopped up into strips, so now I am just chopping them a little bit finer. And then I'm also going to use this turkey kielbasa sausage, and I only used half because this provides a lot of the sausage, and I cut it up into smaller cubed pieces. Then I combined all of my ingredients, including some rice that I had left over, and I added my egg mixture and scrambled together. And then I just added in some shredded cheese and mixed that together as well. Next, I went ahead and I sprayed my muffin tin with some cooking spray just to make sure that the cups didn't stick. And then I added my combined egg mixture to each of the muffin tins, placed them in the oven at 375 for about 35 minutes. And you only want to fill the cups up about halfway because, as you can see, they do rise, and you just don't want to have any of the egg mixture spill over. Next, I go ahead and remove them from the muffin tins because I want to make sure that they cool fully. If you are going to freeze these, you do not want to freeze them while warm because it will create condensation. So let them cool on the rack completely before you place them in your storage container. Now these can last for several months in the freezer, frozen, or they will last over the week so that you can eat them. When you're reheating them, I suggest doing your air fryer or your microwave, but they reheat really well.